wiper blades are direct OEM replacement, quality and fitment are guaranteed. Durable material offers longer performance life over other conventional wiper blades. Specially blended rubber delivers the ultimate smooth, clean, chatter-free wipe. Aerodynamic design significantly reduces drag, noise and windlift. Prevents snow and ice buildup. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Are these the best wipers that money can buy? Of course not. Are these wipers incredible for the money? Absolutely. Yes, they are made of plastic, but that doesn't mean that they're bad. I've used them multiple times so far and they work perfectly. For $26 and you also get extra rubber for them, you can't beat that deal. Don't think, just buy them.